Meet Confucius, character, community, common sense. Here's the hook. He didn't promise hacks for success. He promised habits for becoming the kind of person success follows. Confucius grew up in ancient China. Students compiled his ideas in the Analects, and you'll build your world. Core ideas, ultra simple. Ren, human-heartedness. Be deeply kind. Not performatively nice. Li, rituals of respect. Little manners that create big trust. Yi, do what's right, not what's easy. Xiao, honor roots, parents, mentors, community. Junzi, the exemplary person, not perfect, just relentlessly improving. Confucius loved learning. Isn't it joy to practice what you've learned? Translation, repetition is the point. When you see the good, copy it. Okay, how do I use this today? 3 moves. Micro respect. Send the follow-up text, say the name, show up on time. You're stacking lie. Courage reps. Pick one decision today that costs you a little, but clears your conscience. That's Yi muscle. Feedback loop, then actually do it. Junzi mode. Confucius wasn't about controlling others, he was about mastering yourself, so others feel safe to rise with you. Start small, repeat daily, let the habits do the heavy lifting. Quick recap, be kind with backbone, Ren plus Yai. Respect in the tiny things. Lie. Honor where you came from. Xiao. Commit to lifelong practice. Junzi. You don't need a throne to lead, just today's choices. Practice one idea, today. Tomorrow repeat. That's the blueprint.